Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I managed to open the sensor case on the Polar bike computer. And let's get into this video right now. So recently, a couple of days ago, I noticed that my computer here, so the Polar CS500 was kind of acting up, you know. So look here, what I have here. It's supposed to pair up. So this unit should pair up with this sensor here. But however, that wasn't happening last couple of days. So guess what here? This is the best way how to test it out. I would have taken the sensor and I would spin it right here close to the sensor right here. So if you're close to the magnet and sensor, you should have some reading here when the wheel is spinning. Keep in mind, you should be doing this when the wheel is spinning, so you get the proper reading. So it was very obvious that I needed a new battery for my sensor, and I've seen this people saying you can do this, and this is what I managed to do. So this is the mount that I'm going to put aside that rests on the fork. This is the actual sensor housing. And what you're going to need in order to do this nicely, you will need a screwdriver and you will need this scalpel knife, which is right here. So the best way that I managed to do this, I'm going to be quite honest and say that I struggled quite a bit. But you see what I had done over here, I came down quite close. And this is what you want to be doing. Okay, let's get this thing to focus. So I took the scalpel knife. And I came and I opened it right here, just like that. And then I came on the other side, and I opened it just like that. Should have done this earlier, but it kind of doesn't make sense now. But you will get a good idea what I'm talking about. And if you look over here, once these two kind of open up a bit, then you're gonna come back here. This is how it's gonna look like at the back. You see? So look over there, and you're going to come back with the scalpel knife over here, and you're going to come back and do this area here. So you see the reason why I'm saying to you, you're going to come right here with this scalpel knife like this, and you're going to open it just like that. However, once you start opening, you see just like this, a little bit like that, this is where this screwdriver will come handy. So you see what I'm talking about? See, there's a screwdriver right here. Let's think to focus over here. And then this is what's going to happen. You're going to separate. You're going to use this to separate this here at the top and separate at the bottom. And let's try to get you over here. This is what it looks like when you open the unit. However, if you remove this port over here, hopefully you can see the battery. Okay, so look at the battery is right down there. You see it's hiding right behind down there. Let's get this guy to come down. And hopefully you can see the battery, see? The battery is right there, see? Yeah, I'll let you see it. See, it's kind of shiny in there. This is it. But the reason why I'm doing this video to show you that you guys, if you got these tools, this is pretty easy because the Polar, they want you to buy this thing on their website for $50 each. And keep in mind, eventually I'm going to come back and I'm going to have to do this guy. So there's another one here, you see? So $50 for this one, $50 for this one. Why not give it a try to pop out the battery while I'm there? So if this doesn't work, we can always go back to their website and buy the new one. So as you guys can see, I got the old battery, but however, it's pretty late when I did this. And I don't have the new battery to throw it in there now when this thing is open. But tomorrow morning, I'm going to go inside and I'm going to get a 1632. So remember, 1632 3-volt battery. It's going to come in here tomorrow. And I'm going to do an update video for you guys. When I put the battery in there, put this thing back in there, and then pair it to this lovely, not really lovely, but you know, they're here and there. They're an average bike computer, and that's it. So basically, if I can do this, you guys can do this, and these are the tools. The screwdriver, the scalpel knife, and give yourself, you know, a couple of minutes here and there, and you can finish this. If you found this useful... By the way, I forgot this detail over here, so when you guys are done putting new battery in there, you will need this glue here. You see, I have some nice super glue, and you're gonna apply some glue over here and right at the bottom over here. See right there, and then this is gonna go back right in there with the brand new clips. So those clips that were here, you're gonna put clips back in there. However, if you were to put clips back in there, you see here, you see over here, this thing will still be nice and tight, sitting here with new clips. So again, some glue and brand new clips would seal this properly, and you'll be on your way good to go. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.